Hi, welcome to my basement. Today we're painting, and it's definitely not because I'm procrastinating. I don't have an essay due in 4 days. So I got this easel for my birthday, and it came with this thing. So I decided, hey, I've painted things before. I've painted a flamingo, some llamas, some cherry blossoms, a really freaky mask. I'm set. When I saw this, I thought, pig. And so that's what we're doing. Pigs are pink. I know that. So I probably need pink and dark pink. I think I want the pig to be the other way. Okay, what does a pig look like? Okay, so I created the creature of nightmares. But why does that look so scary though? So I sketched him out. Not my best work, but I'll just paint over it anyways. So with my professional artist palette, I'm just gonna fill it with colors. Pink ones. The color pink. Peach will work, right? Peach. Pink. So my logic is, I'm gonna mix these two together on the canvas because that would make a light pink that looks like a pig. I don't know what pigs look like. I've never seen one in real life. So I'm done the base layer. Not the cutest, but we accept and we move on. So the nose and the ears are like darker, right? So I'm just gonna get a little blob of red and I'm gonna mix it with the peach. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have used like fuchsia or something. So let's test it out. So now is the tricky part. It's the eyes and the mouth. Black, brown. So I'm just gonna put brown for the mouth. Brown is a bit light, so I'm gonna go with black. Now I'm gonna paint the eyes black. This has to be the creepiest pig ever painted. So clearly something went wrong here. I don't know what a pig is, but it's fine, we're over it. Okay, this is really scary. I'm gonna try to make it cute by adding eyelashes, but I don't think that's gonna do anything, so this is the best we're getting. Alright, so since it's obvious that this pig is not gonna look any better, I'm gonna go straight in for the sky. Honestly, like I don't think I could do any better, and that's it. I'm gonna sign my name. So I think we've all learned something here. I can't paint. What started off as being a cute little pig turned out to be some sort of anthropomorphic demon. Not proud of it. Not my best work. Definitely not my worst work. Well, that's all. You know, I'm sorry that you had to go through this. But, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.